Welcome to our channel Technology in the Future. Finally, new design renders of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra show off both sides and provide a wealth of additional information about this future smartphone. Please watch the video through to the finish to learn everything. Samsung has declared that on Wednesday, January 17, 2024, it will hold the first Galaxy Unpacked event of the year. The Galaxy S24 series of flagship smartphones will be unveiled at Samsung's upcoming major presentation, which will be streamed live on YouTube from the SAP Center in San Jose, California. The event is set to begin at 10:00 a.m. U.S. Pacific Time. Based on the information at hand, the renowned Insider Universe released a high-resolution photo of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra variant taken from both angles. Checking out the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup is highly recommended, as it's almost here. Given that 16.1 is smoother and more solid than 16.1, it can feel different. It is anticipated that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8C Gen 2 mobile platform, featuring a 2K resolution and a maximum brightness of 2600 CD/M2, will be included in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 200 MP primary camera sensor, in addition to a 3x and a 5x telephoto lens. However, the business claims that the most recent mobile devices in the Galaxy lineup will be showcased during the next Galaxy Unpacked. The business makes it clear in its teaser trailer that Galaxy AI is on the way. Therefore, it is reasonable to assume that artificial intelligence created by Samsung will eventually show up in smartphones. Samsung intends to give U.S. citizens a $50 U.S. discount if they reserve one of the new Galaxy smartphones online or through the Samsung app between January 2 and January 16 to increase interest in the event. Simply submit your name and email address to receive a discount when the pre-order begins. There's no need to ping anything. Depending on the sales location, the new Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra variants should be powered by either Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPUs or Samsung's Exynos 2400 chipset. The flagships from other manufacturers that have already been unveiled give us an idea of how powerful the Qualcomm chip is and how it can execute AI algorithms right on the device. That's all for now. Please sign up for our channel to receive updates. Take care of yourself until the next video.